Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're looking at Piktochart and their video feature. So if you want to find out more about how to use the video, the wider features of the video, then click on the banner in the top right hand corner. But today we're going to focus on the subtitle feature. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a video I've recorded. And depending on the length of the video, what you're going to do is you're going to select which language you want the subtitles created in. And as I say, depending on the length of the video will depend how long it takes to upload and process your film. Okay, so having uploaded the video, if you then click Edit, it will show you your transcription on the left-hand side, and you can go through and you can listen to that. So we can listen to it. And you can go back and just pick a word. So if it's made a mistake, you can go in and correct it. So it doesn't always recognize product names. So I'll just make that correction. And again, you can just go through and you can go through as much of this as you want. So having gone through and made any corrections you want, you can then click export video and you can choose what you want. So in this case, I just want the subtitles. And I've got a choice of a SRT file or a VTT file. The VTT file gives you the timestamps associated with the text, and SRT is without the timestamps. So I'm going to choose download VTT file and save that. And then that is ready for me to upload to my YouTube channel when I've uploaded my video. So I hope you found the video useful. As I say, it's a really quick way of creating subtitles. I find that the process of generating the subtitles is reasonably accurate. The only thing it occasionally stumbles with is particular product names. But as I say, a great addition to increasing the accessibility of your videos. So I hope you found it useful. Remember to join me soon for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.